A very happy new year to all of you from Inner MBBS and Dr. Poonam Maurya. I wish you all a prosperous and amazing super duper new year. And in this new year, I am sure you have been following all my videos and I have started the New Year New You challenge. And if you haven't gone through the videos, please go through the videos because that was a part of my WhatsApp challenge wherein we took a decision to peel off the layers of our older version so that we step into the new year with the new you, with the new me. So please go through the New Year New You videos, the shorts on the YouTube channel, because it will help you to peel off the layers and it will unleash your true potential. It's very, very powerful. So welcome. I'm Dr. Poonam, founder at Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS is your true inner doctor, mind, body, breath and soul. Welcome. So in the new year, see, we have got this क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जनरेशनल दिस थिंग कि चलो गोल बनाएंगे, लिस्ट बनाएंगे, गोल लिस्ट, टू डू लिस्ट. So let's do something new this year. Let's not make any goal list. Are you not fed up of making the goal list? Let's make a reverse list. Let's make a list of not to do, what not to do. So let's make a list of what not to do this year. How about that? So write down in your diary and with a pen and paper. The most powerful elements in our life are the pen and paper. Sit with yourself. Don't have to sit with anyone. You don't need anyone, my dear friends. Only you and you. Yes, you and pen and paper. This pen and paper, pen is mightier than the sword. Have you heard? It is so true. When you open the pen and start writing what do you really want, and also write why I have not got what I want. What are the obstacles, what are the challenges? And when you write all those things because of which you are not able to accomplish your goals, you will come to know a pattern that there is something repeating, which you are blaming, which you are complaining, which you are criticizing. And list, what are you blaming? Whom are you blaming? What are you complaining and criticizing? When you make a list of it, then you will come to know, oh my God, I am holding others accountable for my life, and that's where you lose your power. It's like you are giving your power away to the external people, situations, things, and you say, no, when they do this, then I'll be fine. When they give me this, then I'll be fine. No, my dear rockstar, when you do that, you lose your power. You give away the essence of your life to someone else. So from your list, see what you want to stop doing. So this year we will not make a goal list. This year we are going to focus on making a not to do list. With me, not to do list. क्या नहीं करना है? And the number one is choose the people and choose the situation, choose the things from your list. What are you stopping to blame? So what do you stop to blame? Stop to complain, stop criticizing. What are the things that you want to stop? So for example, you may tell that I want to stop blaming my boss. I want to stop blaming my spouse. I want to stop blaming my job. I want to stop blaming my situation. You take the 100% responsibility because you need to change. You need to change. The world is just a mirror, and because the world is just a mirror, whatever you are, whoever you are will be reflected in your world. And this is very, very deep. Very, very deep. The moment you realize this, that it's just a reflection of who you are, and when you work on your inner self, that's when the magic starts to unfold. So inner work, inner alignment has got no excuse. Start working on yourself. Become the best version, become the new version, and Inner MBBS is there with you. Especially go through the videos of shorts of New Year New You challenge. You will see amazing tips, especially the mind related videos. You will peel off the layers, because this is very important, because how much ever you focus on the doing, it is not going to happen unless you change your being. We are human beings, we are not human doings, but we are focusing on the doing. Kya karu, ye karu, what should I do, what should I do? Don't do so much in life. Work on your being, who you are becoming in that process. That's the very important step, because when you focus on your being, your doing changes, because you change. And when you change, everything else changes. But what we do in our daily lives, we want everything else to change, then I will change. ये कहाँ का equation है? This is not the maths of life. When we change, everything else around us changes. So it's very, very important to start the change from within. Begin the change from within. And comment ready in the comment section if you're ready to change. Comment ready to change. I am ready to change. And step into the new version, into the happy new year with the new version. Not happy old year, happy new year. The new year will not become new with the change of calendar. It will become new when you become the new. So become the new you. Happy new year.